Hello everyone, welcome in Technia TV. I am Akanksha Singh, faculty of BAJMC department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I deliver a lecture on objective of video editing. Video editing is the process of editing segments of motion video production footage, special effects and sound recordings in the post-production process. Using video, a director can communicate non-fictional and fictional events. The goals of editing is to manipulate these events to bring the communication closer to the original goal or target. It is a visual art. Editing is a part of post production that involves putting together raw footage of various sorts to create a sequence or scene. This can be a lengthy process depending on the project, and viewers may often not notice the editor's work if they are too engaged in the final product. We use the word editing to mean any of the following. First is rearranging, adding and removing sections of video clips and or audio clips. Second is applying color correction, filters and other enhancements. Third is creating transitions between clips. Then, the objective of video editing. There are many reasons to edit a video, and your editing approach will depend on the desired outcome. The purpose of editing is to continue or illuminate significance to a scene or a story. It is also referenced as creating different moods and atmosphere. This could be done through pace of shots, three ways color correction, fades, and other editing technique. Before you begin, you must clearly define your editing goals, which could include any of the following. Then, first is remove unwanted footage. This is the simplest and most common task in editing. Many videos can be dramatically improved by simply getting rid of the flawed or unwanted bits. Choose the waste footage. It is common to shoot far more footage than you actually need and choose only the waste material for the final edit. Often you will shoot several versions of a shot and choose the best one when editing. Third is to catch the audience attention. Pace and duration. Editing can affect the difference between the audience feeling chills and boredom from the continuous pace of the film. Pace also expresses the genre of film. As with the Matrix, there are fast movement and rapid cuts, and for the audience to grasp the concept of characters, reflex, and strength, slow motion is used to show and invigorate the audience with editing. Create a flow. Editing is used to cut between scenes to follow the action. For example, in a car chase, the scene commonly rapidly cut between different angles and camera shots of different clip sequence to follow and implore the intensify of the chase. Most videos serve a purpose such as telling a story or providing information. Editing is a crucial step in making sure the video flows in a way which achieves this goal. Add effects, graphics, music, etc. This is often the wow part of video editing. You can improve most videos by adding extra elements. After the style, pace, or mood of the video, a good editor will be able to create several mood prompts in a video. Techniques such as mood music and visual effect can influence how the audience will react. Give the video a particular angle. Video can be tailored to support a particular viewpoint, impart a message, or serve an agenda. Then continue to the story. Editing uses cuts, fades, and dissolve, etc. to continue a story. Cuts and transitions progress the story. It does this through alternating between scenes in a comprehensive Narrative structure illustrates point of view. A sequence may be cut into a certain way, illustrating a particular character's point of view, then usually through a close up of another character. That character point of view of the same situation is seen through another angle and another variety of editing technique, conveying a genre. When editing different genre of film, they use individual techniques and styles to illustrate this genre. This way they edit this genre, change this way we think about the story and our emotions change to the techniques used. It captures the audience and draws them in. Scary movies usually use fast spaced editing. Romantic genre slow motion, like when dancing, comedy uses both forms of editing. Here we will talk about video editing technique. First is use cuts wisely. The standard cut is the most common and it connects frames together in a simple, straightforward flow. It is perfect for these scenes where no forms of transition is required. If you are filming a scene with a jump forward in a time, use the jump cut because it creates forward motion within the story. Then, match cut. Match cut, also called a graphic match, is a scene between two or more objects, persons, or places in which can object in the two shots graphically match or correlate, often helping to establish strong continuity of action and linking two shots. Flash cutting, when the duration of scenes are short and swept on screen, also referred to as shortcut. This could ideally be used to increase the pace of a scene or create excitement, typical in horror films. Cross cutting, editing that occurs to show two or more things happening at the exact same time, alternating between scenes in different locations and with different subjects than discontinuity editing. Any alternative of joining shots together using means otherwise unacceptable within continuity editing principles. This include spatial relation, mismatching the temporal, violation of axis of action, and concentration on graphic relations. Cutaway shots. Cutaways are some of the most important video editing tips and tricks to master. They give depth through the story by shifting focus from the characters and placing it on the scene. They create context and allow for the introduction of foreshadowing such as leaves falling, snow blowing, cloud forming, etc. Cutting on the action. It is common for a videographer to use this trick when they want the viewer to focus on the action on screen. The action event, such as a door opening or a gun firing, triggers a shift in the camera focus and angle. This engages the viewer and cues their needs to pay attention to the scene. I hope you will understand about this video. If you like this video, please subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.